digging for 5 treasures. Treasures. And it is called an excavation block. I came to see this little speck of stone. I think we found one. Hi, welcome back. This is the first one I have got. You can't see it that good because it still has dust. We're gonna wash them later. In the book, it showed us all the names of the crystals right here. And I think that's a jetstone, I think. But we want to get these crystals out. The count is free. There might be like, what's that? That's just stone. See? But this is actually a crystal. It just blends in. See? Woo! We got our treasures all out.
Let me dig it.
We got our amethyst here. That I just left them in some water so they soak in. I'm using Daddy's tweezers and to pick some of the speckles off. And then I'm done. Here are all the gemstones and rocks that we have found in our block. 5 of them. But some just came out of there and we didn't have to dig it or grow it. This one is called Jet. This one is called Amethyst. I think this one is my favorite because it looks like snow. This one is pretty because it's aquamarine color. This one is called Jade. In this one, if you look very closely, you can see little gold specks in it. So these are all our gemstones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more JayJay PlayPlay videos. Bye!